Honor latest release, the Honor 400 Pro, arrives as a sleek, yet powerful contender in the upper mid-range segment, offering flagship caliber specifications wrapped in a compact, attractive package. Key highlights include Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a gargantuan 7,200 mAh silicon carbon battery domestic variant, a 50-megapixels front camera, and a quad camera array led by an astonishing 200-megapixels sensor. Below is a comprehensive overview of the Honor 400 Pro design, display, performance, imaging capabilities, and battery technology. At first glance, the Honor 400 Pro exudes a premium feel. Its frame is constructed from metal, lending rigidity. Without adding excessive heft, the glass back panel employs a subtle color shifting gradient finish that catches light gracefully, ensuring the device looks upscale without feeling ostentatious. Honor has finely tuned every element. The camera module protrudes minimally, allowing the phone to lie nearly flat on a tabletop, and the speaker grills and buttons align seamlessly along the chassis. Notably, despite housing an immense 7,200 mAh cell, the 400 Pro measures just 205 grams, striking an admirable balance between solidity and portability. Ergonomically, the gently curved edges facilitate a comfortable grip, avoiding the sharpness sometimes found on fully squared-off designs. Additionally, the handset carries an IP68/IP69 rating, certifying dust and water resistance that is rare for devices in the near flagship bracket. Users can rest assured the device will survive splashes, rain, or dusty environments. Central to the user experience is the 6.55-inch flat OLED screen, which delivers a full HD resolution 2400 x 1080 pixels. Honor has also equipped this panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth animations, scrolling, and transitions. The display achieves a peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits, guaranteeing excellent outdoor readability under direct sunlight. Color fidelity is exceptional as well, with 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, a professional standard for video post-production. Those who edit photos or produce short-form video content e.g., TikTok or Instagram Reels will appreciate the panel. Accurate color reproduction and responsive touch surface, which avoids distortion or halo effects common on curved-edge screens. In everyday use, everything from web browsing to gaming feels fluid, and HDR content pops with vibrant highlights and deep blacks. Under the hood, the Honor 400 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS storage. The device handles resource-intensive tasks, such as video editing, raw image processing, and heavy multitasking, with ease. Benchmarks place the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 among the fastest mobile SoCs on the market, and Honor optimizations in Magic OS 9.0. based on Android 15 ensure that animations remain buttery smooth, app launches occur swiftly, and background tasks are managed intelligently. The new Magic OS iteration also introduces AI-driven features to predict user behavior, optimize battery consumption, and provide contextual suggestions e.g., app shortcuts or camera modes, thereby enhancing everyday convenience. Gamers will appreciate GPU Turbo X enhancements, which maximize frame rate stability under sustained loads. All told, flagship-level performance is well within reach, even when running demanding titles or editing 4K video clips directly on the handset. Photography is where the Honor 400 Pro truly shines. The rear quad camera setup is headlined by a 200 megapixels main sensor, capable of capturing astonishing detail even when cropping heavily. Honor multi-frame noise reduction and AI-based scene detection further ensure that photos maintain clarity and vibrant color in challenging lighting. Complementing the main camera is a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, with 3 times optical zoom and up to 50 times digital zoom, ideal for capturing distant subjects or intricate details without physically moving closer. A 12-megapixels ultra-wide sensor doubles as a macro lens, enabling users to capture expansive landscapes as well as close-up shots with minimal fuss. On the front, a 50-megapixels selfie camera resides within a centered punch hole, supporting 4K video recording. Selfies remain crisp and natural-looking, thanks to AI-driven portrait enhancements that smooth skin intelligently without introducing excessively artificial filters. Honor's streamlined camera interface prevents feature overload. Essential modes such as night, portrait, pro, and video are easy to access, while new portrait features apply. Realistic bokeh and subtle skin tone adjustments. Early tests indicate excellent performance under both daylight and low light conditions, positioning the 400 Pro as a must consider for photography enthusiasts on a slightly narrower budget. Arguably the most eye-catching specification is the 7,200 mAh silicon-carbon battery domestic variant. The international version ships with 5,300 mAh. Even at 5,300 mAh, the capacity remains above average for this class, promising multi-day usage under moderate workloads. Honor claims that light users can go 3 full days between charges, while moderate users should easily see 2-day longevity. For rapid replenishment, the handset supports 90W wired charging, honestly impressive, considering it can charge from near zero to 100% in just about 45 minutes. Additionally, 50W wireless charging is available for those who prefer a cable-free option. Overnight top-ups become obsolete, as a brief session on a 90W charger yields enough power to power through an entire day demands. With its harmonious blend of premium design, industry-leading performance, and class-defining battery technology, the Honor 400 Pro sets a new benchmark in the upper mid-range smartphone category. From the ultra-smooth 120Hz OLED display to the flexible quad camera array, topped by a gargantuan 200-megapixel sensor, every aspect feels carefully calibrated to satisfy power users. Honor Magic OS 9.0 adds polish with AI-driven optimizations, while the robust build quality, complete with IP68 IP69 certification, ensures real-world durability. Whether you're a content creator, hardcore gamer, or simply someone who demands reliable battery life, the Honor 400 Pro delivers flagship-grade features without the usual premium price tag.